In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make $300 per day if you're dead freaking broke and have $0 to your name as soon as today. Fam, Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire ass video. Currently here in the condo in Serbia in Europe. First stop in the Euro tour. Now, if this is your first time coming across me, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I'm a serial digital entrepreneur. I travel the world full time, and simply because I make money online. So I create content on a daily basis to give you ideas to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Walk away from that 9 to 5. And this one today, guys, is very exciting. If you guys want to learn how to easily make $300 per day, this is going to be the video for you. So make sure you guys watch all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make $300 per day if you're dead broke, if you have $0 to your freaking name. Now, before we actually get into this story, not the story, but how you guys can actually leverage this business model to make so much money, but I want to go ahead and give you guys a backstory. But before we do, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell right freaking now, right, to join the family, because guys, I create videos like this all the time, and you want to make sure you guys get access, first-hand access to these videos, right? So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell right now. And my number one recommendation to make money online will actually be the first link in the description. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the business, right? Now, first and foremost, before I actually show you guys this method, I want to go ahead and tell you guys a story to show you guys that this actually works, right? Now, before I lived this dream lifestyle, and I've been traveling the world and everything of that nature, right? I was actually on the verge of, well, not on the verge of, but I was actually homeless, right? But I actually got myself out of that crappy situation. But I was on the verge of being homeless again, right? I was actually in Australia, and I thought to myself, right, holy crap, I have 1 week left. I have $179 in my bank account. I have no idea how I'm gonna go ahead and get through this, but I'm hungry, I'm motivated, and I will do whatever it takes to make money, right? Period, as long as it's ethical and legal, right? And basically what I did was I was like, okay, look, I'm really good at sales, right? What can I sell that I can make money really fast, right? And what happened was I was like, okay, I wrote up a pitch, and the next day I went out there. I had no job, I had no money, I was dead freaking broke, and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna figure this out. I'm gonna find something to sell, and I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get paid to do it, right? So I wrote up a pitch, and then I started going business to business. And once I started going business to business, I was telling people, look, you guys are a business, you guys haven't gotten into social media yet. Are you freaking kidding me? I'm young, everybody else is young, is into social media, and number two, everybody who's growing older, who's gonna be your future clients, are on social media. You need to get on social media. I can help you, right? I'm young, I'm innovative, I can help you guys get into the social media space, blah, 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 blah. And then what happened was, I got my first social media client, and they paid me a whopping $1,500 to go ahead and run their social media and run a little bit of advertisement for their social media, right? Now, long story short, basically what that $1,500 did for me is it freaking took me out of like being dead broke and homeless, and that saved my freaking life, right? And it was all because I was freaking hungry and I was hustling. I didn't know how I was gonna go ahead and deliver this product to these people at all. I had no idea. I said, I don't know how I'm gonna make this happen, but I need to sell something, and I need to sell something fast, because if I don't, I'm gonna be dead freaking broke. So to show you guys that what I'm about to go over with you guys works, guys, I'm a living testament. Like, I wouldn't be here in Europe today if I never would have got off my feet at that time of desperation, right? And it saved me. With this business model, I was able to stack up enough money to actually invest into what I really wanted to do, which is online marketing. And but with that being said, how does this business model work, right? Now, guys, basically the quickest way to make money as a broke beginner, a broke kid, it doesn't matter if you're 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 40, 100, it does not matter. The quickest way is creating a service-based business, right? Why? Because you can collect money quickly. With like affiliate marketing, e-commerce, all that extra stuff, it takes a while because these companies have a payout, right? When you're dealing with businesses, business owners, they can pay you quickly. Like, they can pay you as soon as today. If you were to go ahead and write up a pitch, and after this, start calling people, or you leverage your social media, or go start going business to business, you can make money today. You can have $1,500 like within the next 24 hours. Why? Because you take money up front, and then you deliver the service later, right? So with that being said, right, The easiest way, and guys, you can get creative, you can create your own type of agency, right? But the easiest way is social media management, right? And you're probably thinking to yourself, why in the hell would somebody pay me $1,500? And that's the magic number, guys, $1,500. And what I would recommend is that you start at $2,000 and then you leverage it as a downsell opportunity, meaning once you present somebody with that price, you negotiate down to $1,500. So if they accept $2,000, you take $2,000. If they want to negotiate, you go ahead and break down to $1,500. Why? Because once you have 6 clients, right? 6 clients is $9,000 per month. Guys, imagine if you get a client a week, right? For 2 weeks, and you have 2 fall off, but you have a total of 8 clients and then 6 total. That's $9,000 per month if you're charging $1,500 per month, right? So with that being said, you're probably thinking, why in the hell would somebody pay me that much money, right? Because guys, $9,000 per month is $300 per day, right? That's $300 per day. What type of life would you be able to live with that type of income, right? An amazing life, right? But so once you start, the question is, what are we gonna provide? Guys, you need to figure out what service you're gonna provide, right? Before you start finding these people to actually pay you money, what service do you wanna provide? Now guys, the easiest, like I said, is social media management, and there's different levels of services that you can actually provide. Do your research on social media management agencies, but what you can do is you can provide content creation, you can actually distribute the content, you can tell them that you're gonna grow their following, you can go ahead and say, I'm gonna target people within your specific area, blah, 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 blah. And then in return, guys, whenever you're trying to sell something to somebody, you gotta tell them the benefit, how it's gonna benefit them, how it's gonna be more valuable than $1,500. Now guys, what's crucial is the type of people that you actually target. Because guys, if you're targeting people who don't have the cash flow or the income to be able to pay that out, right? A struggling small business, you're not gonna make money, right? So the 3 type of people that I would target for this type of business is chiropractors, dentists, and doctors, right? Target those type of people because they have so much money to invest. And if they're not on social media already, you can literally let them know, listen, you study the price of what they offer. So if you say like a dentist, guys, to get a crown filled is like $1,000 or $2,000. You say, listen, this is gonna go ahead and build your brand awareness within the specific area, and it's going to go ahead and get more clients in. And then what you're gonna state is, listen, people in the past, right, have seen an increase in their business. If this, sir or ma'am, if this only gets you 5 more clients per month, that's $5,000, right? It's well worth it. This is an investment. You let them know, guys, this is an investment, right? And you're probably thinking, well, what if I don't deliver results, right? How can I get clients without ever having any experience? The way to get clients is simply, first and foremost, you need to reach out to them, right? Now, what are the methods that you can use to actually find these clients? Before you reach out to them, write down your services, right? Make it neatly, create a folder or whatever, right? You don't even have to have a website. You don't have to be professional. Just get started, take action, right? So how you get started is you figure out what services you're gonna offer. Now, as far as your company's name, you don't have to get in corporate, guys, all that stuff later. Worry about that later. Worry about getting paid first, right? So who's your company name? My company's name is Eric Ellis, right? I do this as an independent person, right? And what happens is, what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and secure the client. But the way you secure the client, guys, without ever having experience or ever having any results, is you say, ma'am or sir, I currently am willing to give you a 7-day trial, right? And if you like the results, if you like the content that we're creating, if you like the feedback, if you like the growth of your business and you like what it's doing for your business, then at that point, I'll let you know how much we'll charge to move forward. Now what's gonna happen is after 7 days, right? It takes 7 days to make something a habit. The reason why 7 days is the magic number is because it takes 7 days to make a habit, right? Now, what happens is if you're doing something and they like what you're doing for them and it becomes a habit, they don't want it to go away, right? If somebody's working out for 7 days and they start to see their body transformation, they want to continue to see their body to grow, right? So they don't want to lose that habit. So you literally get somebody used to it, meaning they see their Instagram or their Facebook page or whatever, they see their social media start to grow, they start to see results and it starts to become a habit. They don't want that to be taken away from them, right? So it gives you that leverage when you present your offer. And you simply let them know, listen, I charge $1,500, right? I charge month by month, and how are you gonna receive this, guys? You just create a PayPal account. And you create a PayPal account, you say, PayPal me the money, right? If you decide after, obviously you liked it for the last 7 days, right? you can see this is going to be a long-term thing. Your social media is going to get bigger. You're going to start generating more brand awareness. You're going to start generating more money, right? And guys, I tell them, if I can't generate you guys business, or if this isn't a benefit for you guys long-term, no harm, no foul. This is a month-by-month contract. But usually, if you get somebody to do business with you after an additional month, you have them on long-term. You lock in one client, that's $1,500. You lock in another client, that's $3,000. You lock in another client, that's $4,500. Next, $6,000, all the way up to $9,000 plus. You'll easily be at $300 per day as a broke kid, a broke teenager, a broke individual, period. It doesn't matter if you have $0 to your name, guys, all you have to do is have the gift of gab, and you have to have the balls to be able to reach out to people. Now, what are some ways that you guys can actually find clients? Guys, go on forums. Go on forums where doctors are. If you do, go on Google and pick up the damn phone and call these people. Literally go on YouTube and find out how to secure clients. Call these people. Show up to their freaking business, right? Their location. Don't be scared. Say, listen, hey, how's it going? My name is Eric. I was just reaching out to you guys because I currently run a social media marketing agency where we work specifically with doctors, chiropractors, and dentists. I'd like to show you what I'd be able to do for you today. If you had a small moment of your time, I promise you it'd be definitely worth it. And if they give you your time, cool. You're gonna let them know what you can do for them and how it's gonna benefit them. And you let them know straight, point blank period. Listen, sir, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I'm willing to give you a seven day trial, right? No money down. I'm not asking for any money whatsoever. Just give me 7 days to earn your business. If I earn your business, then we'll talk about me earning for you to pay me at then and there, right? With that being said, if you go ahead and bust your butt and you deliver, you secure the client, and that quickly, literally within 30 days, if you hustle and bustle, you could be at $3,000 a month, $6,000 a month, $9,000 a month, $10,000 plus a month. With that being said, right? So you want to reach out to those three type of people because they have the cash to actually pay, and then you just need to secure the clients. Take the first step, take action, and then worry about the rest later. So with that being said, guys, if you like that method, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I promise you it does help. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notifications bell to get the best make money online methods, so that way you guys can literally get notified as soon as I create a video. And last but not least, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. My #1 recommendation to actually make money online will actually be the first link in the description. But with that being said, as always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.